What is going on, guys? So today I got a video. If you cannot access the BIOS on your computer startup, there is a few things we can do here. So I just want to make a video on this because I ran into this myself with my laptop. I was pressing F2 when I was launching my Dell laptop. BIOS was not loading. Pressing F12, boot options are not loading. And I figured out why. So let's take a look at this together. So go to the start menu in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. And then click on, go to control panel first, and we're going to check if there's fast startup enabled. So under battery, we're going to look at battery settings. Then we're going to do change power saving settings. Then we're going to do choose what the power buttons do. Change the settings that are currently unavailable. And here it was, I almost forgot about it for a second. Turn on fast startup. So this helps your PC start up faster after shutdown, restart isn't affected. And this is gonna boot into Windows right away and ignore maybe your Dell startup screen or anything like that. It's gonna prioritize Windows. So what you're gonna wanna do is actually tick this off and save your changes like that. For me, actually, you know what? I'll keep it on because I don't have issues with accessing BIOS on this computer, but turning this off is the first thing I would do. And then I would restart the computer. Like first I would save the changes, restart the computer, and then try to press your F2 or F12 key or whatever it is, your escape key for your specific computer to access your BIOS or startup menu. And if that doesn't work, there is another option we have here. So this one is not going to be under the control panel. This one's going to be under settings. So this one is going to force Windows to give you access to your BIOS screen. And basically, well, I'll show you what happens here. But if you go to settings, and then we go to recovery options, and then we go to advanced startup, this will restart your device to change startup settings, including starting from a disk or USB drive. Or you can boot directly into BIOS like this. So this forces Windows to give you access back to your BIOS or your boot settings or just regular computer settings. So I'm going to click restart now. It's not going to keep recording on OBS. I'm going to switch to my phone and then we'll continue on. So let's do that. All right, so we can see now that Windows has given me access back to my computer. And you can actually use your mouse still on the screen. But what do we have here? Continue, exit and continue to Windows 11. Use a device, which is use a USB device. Maybe you want to load like a new operating system booter, like load a Linux installer. You can do it like that. But I would also recommend to just do this. Reset your PC or see advanced options. See, they try to intimidate you with putting this first. But let's just see your advanced options. No, we don't want to reset the PC, because that'll install Windows all over again, which is not very helpful. It won't fix this problem. This is the option right here. So if I click this, it's going to load into my BIOS. And that's pretty much it. They hid it behind 3 screens and recovery options, but once you click here, you'll finally be able to load in your BIOS and do things in your BIOS. So this forces Windows to give you access back to it. This works on every computer. You don't have to worry about this. So let's just click on this. We're going to go to our BIOS now. My computer is going to do its thing for a minute. Ignore my microphone. There we go. Bang. Loaded into BIOS. So, yep, just like that. I forced Windows to give me access back to the BIOS of my computer, and that is one consistent way. If your startup keys are not working, you can always do that. Recovery mode, advanced startup, restart now, and then go to more options, and then it's UEFI settings, which is a way to get to your BIOS. So anyways, guys, that is the video. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.